how to get a StockX discount codes. I will show you easily each and everything, right? So you can just buy the products here, and if you want to get the coupon codes, follow this video till the end. The very first thing that is this website, which is coupon follow. By the way, it's not working. I don't know why. So let's move to the second website, right? This is a simply codes. Now here you can get promo codes that actually work. So now let's click on get it now here. And then we can search for StockX. This is you have to add to your Chrome browser. And if you add, you will get all these offers. If there is any codes available for StockX products, then you will able to use it. Now this is a love coupon. Here you can get it. Some of the codes which I have made here, you can use it. So click on here, just copy this, and you will get this 25% off order over $100, right? So this is interesting, 50% off, and these are the three more. So this is it, guys, and make sure to check out all this website. You will get more and more codes. I don't know when you're watching this video. In future, you will get more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.